Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Ramchandra Barde. I am studying in B.Sc second year, Adarsh College Hingoli. Welcome to all in today's online seminar. The seminar is guided by S.P. Hatkar sir. Today I am presenting theorem based on open set. Before learning theorem, we will learn the basic concept that useful for understand the theorem. First of all, we will learn the basic concept, in which first concept is neighborhood of a point. The definition of neighborhood of a point is a set n subset of R is called neighborhood of a point A if there exists an open interval a comma b I containing A and containing n. That means A belongs to open interval I and is subset of n. Second concept is open set. The definition of open set is a set S is said to be open set if it is a neighborhood of each of its points. That means we take any point of that set, there exists an open interval and open interval is subset of that set. The statement of the theorem is the intersection of any finite number of open set is open. Proof of the theorem is, let us consider two open sets S and T. First of all, we will know the intersection means common element in sets. First is S intersection T equals to phi. That means no common element in set S and set T. That means set is empty. Therefore, it is an open set because every empty set is open set. Second is S intersection T is not equals to phi. That means the set contain at least one common element in set S and set T. Let X be any point of S intersection T. Now, X belongs to S intersection T. That means X belongs to S and also belongs to T. Since S and T are open, therefore S and T are neighborhoods of X. S intersection T is a neighborhood of X. That means X belongs to open interval I and is subset of S intersection T. But X is any point of S intersection T. Therefore, S intersection T is a neighborhood of each of its points and hence S intersection T is open and theorem is proved. Thank you for watching and listening my presentation.